Hello friends, today we are going to study Kansai Nerolac stock. It's a daily chart structure of Kansai Nerolac and now we'll study it one by one. We'll finish the trend line part first and after that we'll add some moving average and we'll check on which moving average it reacts very nicely, and after that we'll find the support and resistance level and plot the future targets of this stock. Okay, so we'll start with trend line work first. So here I can see the previous chart shows there was a horizontal support of around 360. I'll plot the trend line first. This is the horizontal line. Around 360 line there was a support, so black color dashed line. Okay, so this part is done. So what I can see here, this is the channel formation, this is the rising channel formation. You can see here price is traded in two parallel lines, so I'll plot the two parallel lines here. Okay, here is the first line and here is the second line. See, rising channel, or you can say ascending channel, is clearly visible here. I'll edit this line color and keep it as blue dash or blue dot, not dark, normal. Okay, so here again this line, blue dot, normal. Okay, so here is the rising channel. Okay, so what else is left here? This is also uptrend, and now I'll join these higher lows in order to find the support level for the Kansai Nerolac stock. So I'll join these three pullbacks. Okay, so around this level there is a strong support for Kansai Nerolac. So if we take a look at history of the Kansai Nerolac stock, see here. Okay, so here the uptrend was clearly visible, so I can plot the rising trend line, or you can say ascending trend line here. See here. Okay, so the trading pattern has some rules. Somewhere the support level becomes the resistance level, or some resistance levels become support after the breakout. So we can see here the stock has the resistance around 360 level, but the stock here broken out. Okay, but failed to give a close above this trend line. Because why? This trend line, when it was a support and after that it was a rapid fall and the stock breached the crucial level, and again whenever stock is trying to break this resistance line, it is coming down. So stock needs to close above this level decisively, or should break this level very strongly. Okay, but what we can see here, if you are a short-term trader, where should you take entry? So I will plot the moving average now. So, and we'll check the trend of the Kansai Nerolac stock. So here I'll zoom in. Now this is our rule, always first plot 200 moving average. in order to find the trend of the stock. Where is moving average? Here is. Now I'll plot 200 EMA. Okay, so here this is the red color line showing 200 EMA, means the price is trading above 200 EMA. That shows that the stock is in uptrend. So but stock is not reacting much to this 200 moving average. Okay, so I'll edit this indicator and plot 100 EMA and see what happens. I'll just delete this 200 EMA and I will again add 100 EMA. Moving average, close line, this is 100 EMA. Okay, I'll keep this color as black. So guys, see here, see the history, the picture is very clear. Now those have some trading experience can understand the previous chart of Kansai Nerolac. There was a strong support on 100 EMA, means whenever this stock come on 100 EMA it bounces back very strongly, and here the support level 100 EMA level was broken and stock fell down. Okay, so I have said earlier the price has a memory. Okay, so here the support level is now acting as a resistance level. I'll show you by arrow. Sorry. See this. Why it's not going down? See this again. See this, means this black color line which is 100 EMA is acting as a resistance here, and again when stocks able to cross the 100 EMA and it has successfully closed above 100 EMA, the same black color line is acting like a support here. So we can say around this level 345 to 340 level, which is also a trend line support of channel. It is very strong zone. I'll plot the rectangle here so that you can see the support level here. So this is how we can see, we can study the supports and resistance of the stock. So what should be the target of this Kansai Nerolac? So I can see here the harmonic pattern is formed. Here is the harmonic pattern for Kansai Nerolac. So I have plotted point X, A, B, C and D. So these are the harmonic patterns which are formed by Fibonacci retracement points, nothing else. Okay, so how I have drawn these two triangles, I'll just show you. Firstly, I will join the point XA by Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so point B is at 50% of the XA, wave XA. So target would be D point. Currently this wave made high around 374. Okay, but where the D point completes, is the level where harmonic pattern gets reversal. So this is the 393 level around which there is 88.80 retracement level. Okay, so this is the advanced strategy for making measuring future targets of any stock. You should not get into detail with these harmonic patterns. These are very complicated, and there is more possibility of harmonic pattern failures in daily and weekly analysis. So don't just depend on it. It is just one of the methods of calculating the future targets. If you are not keen with this harmonic pattern strategy, just plot the retracement. Okay, so in order to find the more targets for this stock, you just join the XA by Fibonacci retracement and get the new targets like this. Now from harmonic pattern we have plotted the first target as 393. The second target or the reversal level can be 405, and next target can be 127.2 retracement level, which is 432 is the target. So this is how the future targets of the Kansai Nerolac are plotted. So guys, I hope you have understood. If you like this video, please subscribe us in order to get the new stock breakouts updates. Now we'll meet by this weekend, because for the next 3-4 days I am quite busy. Enjoy guys, study hard. Bye for now.